Hello everyone. So in this video I will tell you that how to install Python latest version as well as how we will create the virtual environment for our project. So you can choose any browser for downloading Python. So I am typing here Python download, and this is the website www.python.org. You have to click on here, and after that for new version there is having 3.13.2. you can click here, as well as if you want so you can click here also. So in both place if you will click, it will download. So I am clicking here, so you can see it is downloading. So just wait for 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds it will download. Okay, 10 seconds. So yes, now downloading is completed. Now go to the folder. Here you can see this is the Python file. It is downloaded. Now double click. If you double click, so this interface will open. So install Python 3.13.2. So this box you have to click. Okay, with this box only, this path is identified, and click on install now. Click yes, and wait for a while. Installation is completing. Okay, so now you can see installation is completed, and here it is visible setup was successfully. So now you can close it and check it is Python is installed or not installed in your system. For checking that, you have to press Windows plus R. So this run button, run interface will open, or if you want simple, you can go to this start button, and here you can type cmd, open it, and here you can type Python, and here in my system number of Python version is installed, so that's why it is showing 3.10.7, but here I want the latest version. Okay, so for latest version we have to create the environment for that. So close this, and here you can type IDLE, and we have to find new version here. So this is the new version. So for creating the environment, click on this open file location. Here also right click again, and again click on open file location. Now we find the path, so you have to copy this path. Okay, for copying this path you can press here, you can click here and copy this path, Ctrl C, and after that click on the window button. Here you have to type env. So you have to go edit the system environment variable in control panel only. Okay, so open it and go to that environment variable. After that, here you have to find the path, this one. Okay, and that double click. So you can see here upside 3.10 version is there, that's why in CMD it is showing 3.10 only. Okay, for new version I have to create. So I am creating here and paste your path and click on OK. After that, again go to same folder. In this same folder, go inside this script folder, copy this path also. After that, go again to system properties and same, double click on this path, again click on new and paste here, Ctrl V, and click on move up and keep it in the top. Another, this one also move up and keep this one also in top and click on OK. Click on OK here also and here also OK. Now again you can type cmd and open command prompt. Now you can type Python. Then you can see here latest version is Python 3.13.2. Previously it was showing 3.10, but now 3.13.2. Okay, so now I will tell you that how to create the virtual environment. Python setup is completed. Now we are going to create our virtual environment. For creating the virtual environment, I am creating first folder. Click on new and create folder. So in that folder, like any project you want to create, so you can give the project name. So I am giving the project name only. So project project 1. If you want, you can give any other name also. Okay, so open it. After that, open command prompt here, cmd okay. For creating the virtual environment, we have to install first virtual environment. So for installing virtual environment, we have to type pip install virtual env and enter. So wait for a while. Okay, now it is installed. Now we can create the virtual environment. So for creating virtual environment, I have to type virtual env space, and here you have to give your virtual environment name. Okay, so here you can give any other name also. I am giving here venv, so easily I can identify this is my virtual environment. So short form I am giving virtual venv and enter. So you can see created virtual environment, and if you want to see that where it is created, so minimize this and check in this folder it is created. Okay, now again go to command prompt, and if you want to active this virtual environment, then what you will do? For active this virtual environment, you have to type venv slash script slash activate. Okay, here you can see now it is showing without any activate. When you will click enter here, with this you can observe our virtual environment is created. Okay, now if you want to install any library in your virtual environment, so simple, you can type here pip install and your library name. So I want to work in Jupyter Notebook, so I am installing here Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter space notebook. Enter. So now my Jupyter notebook is installing. Please wait a time. Now successfully our Jupyter notebook is installed. Okay, so if you want to work with Jupyter notebook, then you have to type here Jupyter notebook. Yeah, now you can see that our Jupyter notebook is open. Now you can go to this new file and you can use this Python notebook. Okay, and you can work with Jupyter notebook. Anything if you want, you can do with that. Okay, so this is the process. And if you close this, and again you are closing this command prompt, then you will tell that how I will open this Jupyter notebook. Okay, so for that purpose, what you have to do, again you have to go to this folder, in the same folder only, and you have to click on this path and type here cmd, open here command prompt. In same process you have to do, means same process, only you have to activate the environment. For activating the environment, type here venv / script / activate. Click on enter and you can see virtual environment is activated. After activated, you can type Jupyter notebook. I think you can type notebook also here. So notebook is not recognizing, so leave it. You can type Jupyter notebook. So this is the process of creating the virtual environment or working with Jupyter notebook. So thank you guys. If you like this video, then comment it or subscribe my channel. Thank you.